Oh my God. Hi guys, welcome back to a beautiful jungle. Today I am finally going to plant out my determinate tomatoes. Well, some of my determinate tomatoes, and I think the only determinate I have is the Amish paste. I did have more, but I neglected them. So these are my second round of tomatoes that I planted. And I do have some indeterminate as well. I am going to be putting them inside of this bed. This will be my first time ever using eggs. And some of these, a lot of these eggs, I don't mean some of them, a lot of these eggs, they're cracked already. So I'm just going to crack it. And my first time doing that, I'm going to throw some worm castings in there. And I kind of figured like eggs are for, you know, it helps with calcium. Eggs give you calcium, and ooh, that's a lot. It gives you your plants calcium, gives our body calcium. So this is why we're using it. I'm going to dig another hole over here and use some of that mycorrhizin in here. Yeah, no need to waste all of that. And I am planting these deep. I'm burying them very deep. These are not as bad as my indeterminates. So, but you're still removing that bottom leaf. And that's what I plan to do with every one of them. Now I'm going to plant, I have one orange Roma. All of the holes have been prepped already. 11 of them got eggs. This is a pineapple tomato. In this bed, which is an 8x4 bed, I ended up with a half determinate and a half indeterminate tomato plants. Been out here all day cleaning up and planting out the other watermelons that were in the small containers, putting them in a larger container. I've been here all day. So all done with that. So I had 4 left over. I had 4 of them left over that I didn't want to start a new bed. I do have the space, but I don't want to put them in a new bed. I just want them to be there. And I'm going to do the Florida weave on these tomatoes. Keep our fingers crossed, God willing. I'll try to figure it out. I pray it's not too much sun, but move this away. This fig is ready. Oh, I already ate 2. I already ate 2 of them. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that. Let's see. Let's have this fig. Let me wipe it off. Oh my God. Oh, wow. It's like honey. Oh, wow. And this is so good because I know what I put in there. This is the Bear's Black fig, the only fig plant I have. We're gonna go in for the other one. It was so soft. Just wipe it off. You don't need to wash nothing. Wipe it off. This is how I like my fruits. I do not like my fruits in the refrigerator. I don't like cold fruits at all. And bees. It's like honey. Like sweet honey. I feel guilty eating it by myself. So I'm gonna give my husband a taste.